It's no secret that professional looking headshots are a great way to help your business or brand stand out better amongst the crowd. If your website has a team or About Us page on it, you should definitely be showing off your employees in the best light possible. But how can you get great looking photos of yourself without spending too much? Well, here's my top 5 tips on how to take a better headshot. Coming in at number 1 is to set it to portrait mode. If you're using a cell phone and don't have access to a pro level camera, portrait mode will do you nicely. Using this setting will blur the background and make your image appear more professional. Number 2 is to clean up the background. Make sure the space behind you is clear of clutter and anything that's going to interfere with the focus on your face. Less is more. Consistent plain walls are always a safe bet. Number 3 is to know your good side. Look in the mirror and get really honest with yourself. Which side is best? Move your face around until you're happy with what's looking back at you. Feel free to do this with expressions as well. Number 4 is that lighting is everything. Literally. Listen, if you don't take this bit seriously, your headshot won't turn out good no matter what. You need to use high quality light. And what is the biggest, best source of light that we have access to? That is right, my friend, it is the sun. Find a big window, put yourself in front of it, preferably so that you're on a 45-degree angle to the light source. Also, if you have a translucent curtain, feel free to slide that in front of the window, and this is going to help to diffuse that light and make your skin look softer. Number 5, which is probably the most important thing here, is to make yourself laugh. If you're new to this, it's going to feel extremely awkward. There's no getting around that fact. You need to loosen yourself up. So while you're doing your headshot, throw on some stand-up comedy, find it on YouTube or anywhere else that you like to stream from. When we laugh, endorphins and dopamine are released and it makes us feel good. So these chemicals have a positive effect on how we're going to appear in the image, even if it's not a full-on laughing image. And there you have it. I hope that these 5 tips help you out when you're trying to take a better headshot for yourself. If this sounds like a lot, I know it can get pretty in-depth. You can always just ask a professional for help.